What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Jay Spikes, and I'm back with another video, baby. What go down, YouTube? I'm back. Hey, man, OGs, listen, before we get started, man, y'all welcome all the new people in and tell them what go down over here. I done told y'all over and over. Tell them what go down. Man, it go down over here. A bunch of wheel turning, a bunch of adjusting, a bunch of adapting, custom fabrication, old school, new school, whatever it is, as long as it got 4 wheels, man, and some tires, you know what I'm talking about. We getting it in over here, man. Y'all welcome to the channel, man. If you ain't hit that subscribe button, man, go, man, and click that subscribe button, man. Click that notification bell so you won't never miss what your boy Jay Spice got coming, because, listen, man, it's always some heat. I ain't in control of what go down, but it definitely goes down around here. And even in the wintertime, because it's getting cold, you see, it's still going to be going down, and we're going to watch this heat. But, yeah, man, if you got any questions, comments, or opinion, leave them in the comment box below, baby, because I try to talk back as much as I can, you dig? And, yeah, man, leave a thumbs up on the video, any of the content you ever watch for your boy, man. To just help your boy in the monetization of YouTube, help them know that I'm available, and help y'all know I'm available. Watch this heat, man. We got something real quick going on today. It's going to be a little quick one. Yeah, man, I'm just trying to bring y'all in on it. Watch this heat. All right, y'all, what we have here, we have a 2014 Nissan Altima. Let me make sure it's an Altima now. Yes, sir. Altima. 2014 Nissan Altima, man. Car don't look too bad, man. She look pretty decent, you know. But as you keep coming around, you know, this is a ladies' car, this is a woman's car. And you know how y'all women do it. We got any women, but men, we definitely know how they do with vehicles. Man, let the church say, hey, man, hit the like button. If for all my men that know how women do, we ain't gonna get too into that, but for all my men that know how women do cars, hit that thumbs up button for your boy. Because yes, this never fails with women. But she busted up in the front end, and we're gonna try to see if we can get her looking a little better real quick, like, you know what I'm saying, give y'all a quick little look of it. I'm gonna even try to fix that down there for her. But yeah, we got bumpers, we got all kind of stuff coming, man, all kind of people. We got bumpers everywhere over here, y'all. Everybody got bumpers, new bumpers, everybody getting new bumpers, you know what I'm saying. So we got the Nissan bumper right here. We got we got the grill right here. We got the brand new grill right here for the Nissan, and we got both front headlights for it. So yeah, man, I'm finna bust some of these packages open this thing up, and yeah, I'm finna bust this thing down and see if we can make it look like something a little better. Y'all watch this heat. All right, y'all, quick little update. I got the front end snatched off that thing real quick, like, you know what I'm saying. Got a few of these parts busted out. As you can see, this the old light. That's the new light we're going back with. It's a little bent up around here a little bit. I'm gonna try to see if I can bend it back in place close as I can for straighten up some of this stuff. Put a couple screws in there, self-tap, so some of this stuff won't move. This light here just hanging in. It's just really just, oh shoot, it just fell out. I didn't even know that. But yeah, we're gonna fix that too. Yeah, we're gonna put that new one in. Hopefully the brackets ain't all broke up to where we can get it to sit in there right where it's supposed to. And yeah, so I don't know. But we got the new bumper here, ready to go. Got the new grill. Yes, sir. And I gotta put the fog lights in it right there. So yeah, my camera gonna go dead. I'm gonna switch over to the phone. Y'all watch this heat, baby. Yes, sir. All right, y'all. Update. We got that thing looking like something. Y'all see that? Oh, look at the difference. Come on now. Come on now. That's where we came from. Broke all up. Crushed all up. Sad. Oh, I'm tripping. I'm glad I turned that thing over. I gotta put that license plate back on there. Ooh, that's gonna be ugly on that thing too. It look a lot better without that on there, but hey, you know what I'm saying? That's part of the law. I gotta put it on there. But we got that thing on there, y'all. The headlights, this stuff was broke up. I'm talking about tore up from the floor up, taped up and draped up and dripped out, leaking, water cracks and all that up above, screws in the side of it, fender flared out. I got it looking pretty decent, pretty close back to where it was supposed to be. You know what I'm saying, all the way around. It's pretty stiff. We got the fog lights in with the little accessory plate on the bottom. You know what I'm saying? Y'all seen that little piece back there? It was hanging down when she pulled in, so I went ahead and put a screw in there. You know what I'm saying? Free of charge, just because it needs to be done. Got it. I ain't had no bolts and all that stuff was broke off here, but I did the best I could. And I went ahead and put a couple screws across the top of there where that thing won't move. And the only thing they didn't have was that Nissan symbol, so I'm pretty sure they'll get that and pop that in. You know what I'm saying? All the way around. She looking good. So yeah, let me close the hood. I braced up that little hood latch down there because it was broke. So now that hood a little bit more stabilized. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Footage like Robert. So boom. I'm about to fall. Alright, boom, before I bust my ass. The Nissan, back in action. Look at it, looking like Snoopy in the front. The black match. Okay. She looking good now, y'all. Okay. But what we're gonna do is, we're gonna take these old lights. We're gonna let her keep her old lights. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna put these old lights in the trunk. She need to go and keep them. I don't wanna have to get rid of them. I already got to get rid of that bumper. You know what I'm saying? So she need to keep her old lights in case she run into another pole or a deer or a ghost on the side of the road or something. You know what I'm saying? She have some extra lights just in case. Boom. That's all I need from her. Take your lights with you, baby. But yeah, man, that thing looking good. Ooh-wee. Y'all seen how it was looking just about 45 minutes ago. It took me about an hour to do all this because I had to screw some stuff together and whatnot. But look at it, man. It's pretty lined up pretty good, man, from what it was. You know what I'm saying? Look pretty good. Yes, sir. So yeah, man, quick little job. Y'all make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, click that notification bell, leave a like on the video, comment down below if you got a question, comment, or opinion, man. Quick little job for a lady, man. Y'all hit that like button. You know what I'm talking about? Let me know if I put it back in the game. Only thing could have made it better if we painted that thing and had that Nissan symbol. But anyway, we out this thing. I'll catch y'all on the next one, baby. Watch this heat. Don't go nowhere.